Okay, we'll be solving percent word problems. Here's what your first problem says. What is 25% of 36? Okay, 25%, it's just some number out of 36 that's less than 36. Okay, so maybe like, give me a number that's smaller than 36, maybe 2, maybe 20, okay, maybe 14. We can guess it all day, but let's find the answer. When you see a percent, put 100 under it, please. Okay, that's what a percent is. It's per 100. So what you do is you put 25 over 100. Then where's the 36 go? Okay, and actually here's what you're going to do. I'm sorry. Put 25% over 100%. Put percent symbols there. Okay, that's your percent rate. Now, if 36 is after of, and it is, okay, the 36 is lined up right there, okay, and then X right there, okay. 36 is paired with the 100. Then you do what you've been doing, okay. Line up your equals, okay. Circle the X, you take 100 times X, and then you take 25 times 36. Now, that'll stay 100.x, and 25 times 36 gives me 900, okay? Okay, then we solve it. Okay, 100 times x, so we divide by 100. So I take 900 divided by 100, and I get 9. So that's the answer to the problem, x equals 9. Okay, next one. What is 32% of 500? First off, we're going to underline 32 and put 100% under it. Okay, 32% over 100%. Okay, and then that 500 goes on the bottom if it comes after of, which it does. Okay. Okay, we need to find what goes with the 32%. So 100 times x, and then 32 times 500. So that's 100 times x. That will stay the same thing. That will just stay 100 times x. And then I take the 32 times the 500. Okay, 16,000. Just put us once. If you're not good at reading numbers, just copy what you get from the calculator. Don't forget the zeros though. So now you're going to divide by 100. So 16,000 divided by 100. Just punch in 160. Okay. So 160 is the percent. By the way, on this assignment, you'll always be placing that number on the bottom with the 100. Okay. Okay, 70% of 45. Always place 100, because that's the whole of a percent. 70% over 100. Now in your other ratio, you place a 45 right there. You're trying to find what's across, what goes with the 70. Because like 100 goes with 45, 70, we don't have that, so that's x. Okay, so I take 100 times x. Then you take 70 times 45. Okay, now 100 times x, I'm not going to be able to solve that side, but I can solve the 70 times 45. 3150. Okay. Okay, so you divide by 100. 3150 divided by 100, and you get 31.5. So put the decimal, you're allowed to get that here. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, what is 75%? So there's that percent, that goes over 100. 100% of 125. So I line up 75% over 100%. And then 125 goes right there for the 100, as long as it's after of, the word of, and it is. And then X here, it's a tight fit here. So we take X times 100, or 100 times X. And then, sorry, and then 75 times 125. So that will stay 100.x. And over on the other side, we got 75 times 125. 9375. Then you divide by 100. Okay. And you will have your answer for X. Small fit. So 9375 divided by 100, 93.75. So you can get decimals. Okay. Okay, what's 5% of 490? So again, that's over 100%. Okay, then the 490 goes down on bottom. And we are finding what goes with the 5% on top. So X. So I take 100 times X, and then I take 5 times 490. Okay, so it's 100.x. And then 5 times 490 is 2450. Now solve. So you got 100 times x, so you get rid of the 100 times with dividing by 100. So 2450 divided by 100 is 24.5. So I'm getting some decimals, that's okay. Okay, what's 80% of 1? I'll tell you what, I'm going to cross these three out and then go work on your assignment, okay?